Hi, today I will show you how to add cipher code on Hamster Kombat and earn 1 million daily reward. On right side of the screen you can see. We will add cipher code on our Telegram channel every day. Once you are on this screen, tap on Daily Cipher. It will take you to another screen. Once you will see this hamster, you have to add cipher code here. Today's cipher code is proof. On right side of the window you can see. Now here you have to add code quickly with accuracy, otherwise you have to add it again. For dot you can quickly tap the screen, and for dash you have to hold the screen little bit longer. Do not take too much time to add the cipher. If I will take time, I have to do it again. As you can see, I have to add the code again from the beginning. If it is your first time, then it's okay to add code in multiple tries. Press dot, dash, dash and dot. Now press dot, dash, and dot. Now press dash, dash and dash. Add dash, dash and dash. Now add dot, dot, dash, and dot. After decoding cipher, you will see this hamster saying the code is cracked. Click on Take the Prize. You have to add cipher code daily to earn 1 million coins. I am making 600k coins per hour. I can show you how you can also earn that much per hour. For that I will make another video. With daily cipher and with daily combo code you can earn 6 million coins per day. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Join our Telegram channel for daily cipher and combo codes. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.